2-2 pitch. Swinging a ground ball up the middle, and Ramirez will glove it. Throw to first, no chance, run in. 5-0 Tigers. Infield base hit for Delman Young. Ramirez did all he could. A ball not hit hard, but in the right spot. 4 runs in a game. Fly ball to the gap in left center field. That's going to split the outfielders, and that ball is up against the wall. Jackson has scored. Young around third. He will score. 2-run double. 7-0 Tigers here in the fourth. 3-2. Swinging a fly ball into shallow center field. It's going to drop for a base hit. Rios will field it on one hop. Rounding third, heading home. Cabrera. Throw to the plate. Not in time. Bang, bang play at the plate. And Cabrera with a hook slide around Pierzynski, who argues that he tagged him out. But it's an RBI single for Avila, and the Tigers lead 8-0. 2-2. Swinging a broken bat fly ball in the right center. That's going to drop. Avila around third, and he will score. It's 9-0 Tigers. Having some fun at Comerica Park now.